seria noastră. Să nu faceți tot așa, jucăm seria noastră de The Wolf. Deci numărul 5. Hai să dăm drumul. Am mai continuat off camera, că era foarte greu să găsesc lucrurile pe care erau nevoie.
Hello, Woodlands Business Office.
Și am aflat unde e suspectul.
He is. Hold on. Bigby.
Pentru
It's for
mine?
you.
Da, bă.
Bigby, it's me, Toad.
What the...
You there?
The car. What you want?
What do you want?
What you want? Ce la
Bigby,
telefon?
shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's things. Get over here, Bigby, before he... wait, hang on.
Ce s-aude, mă?
Oi, shit. Hey!
E broasca aia de
What was that about?
Hard to say. Something going on over at Toad's place.
What about Faith's husband?
I don't know.
E
I couldn't
suspect?
really
Nu cred
tell.
că e suspect.
But he could be in trouble. And we should go there anyway to search her apartment.
Hai!
Might have to wait.
Hai după el!
Whenever you're ready.
Sunt gata. Sunt gata. Hai, go. După tine. Gata, acum mergem la el acasă. Să vedem cine e suspectul în acest mister.
Did Toad say who was there? Was it the woodsman?
I don't know. It's possible. Whoever it was, it didn't seem like Toad was happy to see
Unde-i
him.
capul ăla?
Well,
Numai acolo.
maybe Prince Lawrence can wait.
Yeah, he didn't see him. He could use some help too.
Well, where to first?
Am plecat.
Bigby, shit. Listen, right? There's a bloke upstairs going through all the woodsman's
You
things.
think he did it?
Sabia.
What's her husband's name?
Lawrence. Prince Lawrence.
De ce îmi dai să alegi, jocule? Ăsta.
We need to tell him about his wife. He deserves to know.
You're right. And Toad's a tough Toad. He can probably handle himself for a few hours.
We'll have to.
Mergem la cuțitul, că ăla mi se pare mie suspect, nu broasca. Dar ce să facă broasca? Că broasca mie nu se pare suspect. Ăsta nu se suspect. Ok.
I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to, so let's just pick an approach and stick to it, okay?
Ok.
Just humor me. Let's just keep our focus on questioning Lawrence. Where she was, who she was with, that sort of thing.
Aici? Uite pe aici.
Hey! Hey!
Cine e ăla?
All right. We'll try this out.
Guess we're out of options.
Hop. Iha.
Come on, help me up.
Hai sus. What the fuck was that? Ce e asta? Wow!
Oh God, we're too late. That makes two Fables dead. We need to figure out what the hell is going on here. Who would do this to them?
I don't know, Snow.
Ce s-aude? Scrisuri? Hai să-i sputăm. Păi dăm drum. Ok, aici avem sânge.
Still a little sticky.
Ce e asta? E cuțitul ăla. Care mi-a
Mirror
arătat
showed me
oglinda.
this. It's sharp. And there's blood on the blade.
I just don't understand. Why?
Am revenit. Hai să jucăm. Ok. De la locul faptei. Ce e aia? E o poză.
When do you think that was taken?
Before all this,
A revenit? Hai să vedem cadavrul.
that left a mark. Ruined his shirt. They never really look peaceful, do they?
I wouldn't know.
Aha. La mâini ce are?
Dry.
Pastile?
What are they?
Prescription sleeping pills.
Vedem tot.
That doesn't really help.
Damn.
Cam atât avem. Ia să vedem... Hai mă, aici. Aici. Ce? Hai de... Hai în pat. O scrisoare.
Son of a... It stuck to the bed a little. My dearest Faith, I never meant to hurt you, and I cannot endure knowing that I have. This was for the best. I'll see you again. Love, your devoted Lawrence.
I should know his face. There are so few of us. I should know his face. Oh my God, Bigby, he's alive.
What are you doing here? Let's get you back up.
Acum.
Oh, what are you doing here?
Avea mort.
What's going on?
We found you here in your chair with what we thought was a fatal injury. We should call Swinehart, have him take a look at you.
Wait a second on that, Snow. You know who I am? Yes. Good. I have a few questions. Why? What's this about? What happened? I don't know.
Nu te amintesc?
Shit. I shot myself in the heart. Thought I'd be dead by now. Hurts like fucking hell. Your heart's actually a little more to the center. Probably hit a lung. Great. At least that's how I think it happened. Things are a little fuzzy. Thought it was a bad dream.
Why did you do it, Lawrence?
I did it because I was ashamed. I couldn't live with myself, knowing I had done that to her. I did what I could to keep her away, but she still worries about me. She comes by, makes sure I'm okay. I'm a fucking burden. I'm useless. I don't want her to have to worry about me anymore. She's better off without me being here to drag her down. She deserves that. She's been through a lot. I just wish I could have done better by her. She's always been there for me. Your wife is missing. What?
Tragedie tare.
Oh, no. No. No.
A, da.
No.
Ba, da.
No, no, no. I knew this would happen. Fucking Georgie.
Ce? Mai cineva la ușă. Nu
Are you expecting anyone? I'll see who it is.
Wait.
Nu deschis.
We need to know why whoever's out there is breaking in.
Okay.
I need your help.
What do I do?
Just play dead.
What?
Trust me. You can't move and you're conditioned anyway, so just stay still. The second we figure out what they're here for, Bigby will arrest them. Think about your wife.
Am găsit pistolul. Spionăm. Alo. Iată-l.
Hey!
Salut! Stați puțin, fraților.
Stay.
Încep. Am revenit. Să-i dau drum.
Am uitat și a revenit. Ovi, dar sânge pe după.
Am revenit din nou, fraților.
Leave me alone!
O, mă, nu. Te prind. Mai sunt peste mic. Haha! Загори файл! Бум! Просто идти. Ага. Запри!
Hey! Ease up, Bigby. We're on the same side here. You son of a bitch. Make me run after you. What were you doing back there? The same thing you should be doing. Investigating. Looking for clues. The fuck you doing hiding in closets? Fuck, man. Fuck, man! I'm asking the questions. You're looking for the woodsman, right? My employer is looking to ask him a few questions too.
Boom!
The fuck? Come on. Dumb. Dumb? Yeah, it is. Look, it'd be much easier for you. No, I'm D. He's dumb.
Ce? Oh!
He almost looked peaceful.
Yep.
Ok, fraților, cam atât.
Accept your lying in a dirty alley.
Dați like și ne auzim data viitoare.
With an